When most traders and investors think about Fibonacci analysis, they think in terms of running Fibonacci retracements from a swing low to a swing high, and then assuming that these levels will hold as support on the way down. And this offers a very incomplete picture, a very incomplete analysis, and it can often lead to results that are, well, unexpected or disappointing. But there is a better way. By utilizing a combination of Fibonacci analysis tools, so if we look at Fibonacci retracements, extensions, and importantly Fibonacci symmetry, we can identify clusters of Fibonacci support which greatly increase our edge in calling or forecasting a low or a high, a turning point in other words. And when we combine this Fibonacci analysis with other indicators and other trading techniques, like counter-trend trading setups, we can not only identify these turning points, we can capitalize on them for profit. Now this week, we are launching our newest membership at Tower of Trading called the Fibs Never Lie. And we're kicking it off with a live workshop next Monday, the 23rd of September. And during this workshop, I will personally teach you live how to use Fibonacci retracements, extensions, and symmetry the right way, and how to combine your analysis with high probability trading setups to increase your edge. If you've ever wondered how or why the market can seemingly turn on a dime at levels you hadn't expected, or if you're just looking to be able to increase your confidence on your edge on any other trading methodology you might be using, this workshop is for you. And as a special bonus, you'll also get a pre-recorded session on how to use Andrew's Pitchfork to identify market structure as well. So come along and learn how to use Fibonacci price analysis the right way. To secure your spot, just head over to toweroftrading.com/fibs. That's toweroftrading.com/FIBS. We're doing a special launch offer. It's only $297 for this membership. The regular price will be $497. So take advantage of the special discount we're offering and learn how to use Fibonacci the right way to improve your edge and gain greater clarity in the markets. I look forward to seeing you live at the workshop on Monday, the 23rd of September.